A few months ago, I was reading a book on Gestalt therapy, wherein the author, Fritz Perls, refers to the philosophical concept of the banality of evil. It wasn't the first time I'd heard the expression. It had always chilled me. Something about evil being common, ordinary, and ubiquitous always seemed too pessimistic of a worldview for me. But since Perls was challenging me to grow into my holistic self, I decided to follow my curiosity to the book Eichmann in Jerusalem, a report on the banality of evil, by Hannah Arendt, published in 1963. The book covers the trial of Adolf Eichmann, a Nazi official who was one of the main organizers of the Holocaust. The book caused a stir in the United States, not only because Arendt brought attention to the role that some prominent Jews in Germany inadvertently played in facilitating the Nazi mission, but also because she did not portray Eichmann as a monster. Arendt's book impresses upon the reader that there is nothing extraordinarily maniacal or brilliant that makes one evil. There was nothing extraordinarily maniacal or brilliant about Adolf Eichmann. He was boring, average, insignificant. This banality, combined with a few other psychosocial phenomena that are disturbingly common to the human experience, led to the unfathomable evil of the Holocaust.